Good morning, children. Let's start UKG class. Now I am going to take about the Kannada subject in Varnamala, children. Let's start the class. Before we do one thing, children, I think you can also do that. You understood, children? You listen carefully. First, you join your hands, children, and close your eyes. You listen, children. You understood? I think you can do that. First, you can listen, children, what I am saying, no? And you also do like that, children. First, you join your hands and close your eyes. Now, tell the slokas, children. Let's start. Start the prayer. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhirbhavatu Mesada. Okay, children, you listen. You also repeat after me, children. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhirbhavatu Mesada. Okay, children. Now next one more shloka I'll tell for you, children, and you also say along with me. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vidyaroopena Samstita Namastastai 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 Namo Namaha. Okay, children, you listen. I think you understood. Once again, I repeat, children. One more time. You also repeat after me, children. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Vidyarupena Samstita Namastastai 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 Namo Namaha. Okay, children, you understood? And you can do also prayer and you learn shloka. Okay, children. Now, let's start the class. Today, we start Kannada subject, children. Kannada Varnamale. Now, let's start first letter, children. Alilu, squirrel. Okay, children. Alilu, squirrel. Agasa, washerman. Aramane, palace. Next, Atike, toys. Ane, elephant. Ame, tortoise. Okay, children, once again, I repeat for you. You also repeat after me, children. Alilu, squirrel. Agasa, washerman. Aramane, palace. Atike, toys. Ane, elephant. Ame, tortoise. Next, after what, children? After ili, rat. Iruve, ant. Isavi, ear. Okay, children. Next, after. You understood, children? Irulli, onion. Iju, swimming. Isha, Lord Shiva. Once again, I repeat, children. You also repeat after me. Ili, rat. Iruve, ant. Isavi, ear. Irulli, onion. Iju, swimming. Isha, Lord Shiva. Next, after what, children? Ungura, ring. Uguru, nail. Udugore, gift. Next, after? Uta, mill. Uru, town. Udu, blow. Once again, repeat, children. You also say along with me. I think you listen. Ungura, ring. Uguru, nail. Udugore, gift. Next, uta, mill. Uru, town. Udu, blow. Next, after what, children? Rishi, sage. Rutu, season. Rigveda. Next, ele, leaf. Elaniru, tender coconut. Emme, buffalo. Okay, children, you listen. Once again, I repeat for you. You also repeat after me, children. Rushi, sage. Rutu, season. Rigveda. Ru after what, children? Ele, leaf. Elaniru, tender coconut. Emme, buffalo. Next, A after what, children? Edi, crab. Eni, ladder. Elaki, cardamom. Next, A after Aidu, 5. Ice cream. Ainuru, 500. Once again, I repeat, children. You also repeat after me. You listen carefully. Edi, crab. Eni, ladder. Elaki, cardamom. Next, A after Aidu, 5. Ainuru, 500. Ice cream. Next, I after what, children? I after O. What, children? Onte, camel. You listen, children. Onte, camel. Onake, pestle. Ole, firewood, oven. Next, O after what, children? O after ota, running. Odu, reading. Ole, earrings. Once again, I repeat, children. You also repeat after me. Onte, camel. Onake, pestle. Ole, firewood, oven. Next, O after ota, running. Odu, reading. Ole, earrings. Next, O after what, children? O after Ow. You listen, children. Aushada, medicine. Autana, party. Aushadalaya, pharmacy. Next, after what, children? Angi, shirt. Ambari, hauda. Anchapettige, post box. Once again, I repeat, children. You listen. You also repeat after me. Aushada, medicine. Autana, party. Aushadalaya, pharmacy. Next, after what, children? Angi, shirt. Ambari, hauda. Anchepettige, post box. Okay, children. Next, after what, children? After aha. Dukkha, sad. What, children? After aha. Dukkha means sad. Okay, children. Now we are finishing oral, children. Now I am telling about writing. Okay, children. Now you are open your Kannada classwork, children. Okay. You take out the 2 lines book, means Kannada classwork. First you put the date, children. 1/1/11. You write one slanting line. Write 1/2/12. Again you write one slanting line. Again you write 2020. Okay, children. 11/12/2020. Date, month, year. Today which day, children? Today Friday. Okay, children. Now let's start writing. Kannada writing. I think you all are open your classwork. Okay, children. Now you write You should write first You write 1 0. You follow the line, children. You should write only 2 lines. Okay. Write That line complete full Again you write You should write in 1 page 4 times, children. 4 lines. Okay. That full page you complete You should write, children. Next, this one finish after you come to beside page or next page, children. Write next. Aha. You write you write little bit small zeros. You put two small zeros, children. You should write. Now it is aha. Aha. Aha dukkha means sad. You should say and write, children, and follow the line, and you should write neatly, and you should write four lines also, children. You should aha, 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 four lines, and complete that page, children. Aha, today only you should write two pages also, children, and you should say and write, children, and you learn oral also with English words also, children. Kannada words and with English words also you should learn, children. Next, and you can complete the classwork, and you today you will learn and write two pages also, aha, and complete two page, and you should say and write, children, and write neatly and follow the line. Okay, children, you should say and write, otherwise you know cannot learn, children. Please, you say and write and follow the line, children, and complete the homework, children. Don't do pending homeworks, children. Please complete the homeworks. Okay, children, I think you understood, children. We will meet in next class, children. Thank you.